Hello friends, welcome to back to our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be almighty keep you happy and keep you hands and habited, and may you continue to enjoy like this. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful amazing crochet top blouses designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs. Show to you people in it all the designs. Show to you people in it all the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs. Show to you people in it. You like today video, please like this video and share it you with friends and daily family members. Share it with you friends and daily family members. Let's go inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you guys are interested in my video, you can follow me channel. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. All the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can do the work yourself with a beautiful piece of cloth, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos and you can similar LC and you can make a similar design for yourself. This type of designs is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. So friend, today video is amazing. Every video is a lovely design. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. So friend, today video is I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kind of fashion lettered designs. I am very happy that you like my video. If you keep good comment, please let me in the no comment if you can get many ideas from my video. So friend, this video is very helpful and useful, so I will keep sharing. And if you guys want to my channel, subscribe. Crochet Lovers, thank you watching. Take care. God bless you.